Yes, student, the last group is 10th group elements or noble gases. So these are like helium, neon, argon, krypton, okay, xenon, and the radioactive element what? Radon. Okay, helium, atomic number is 2. So on the basis of it, we can simply write 2 plus 8, 10, then plus 8, 18, then plus 18, 36, then again plus 18, this is what? 54, and then 32, it will become what? 86. All these are what? Gases, okay, having very traces quantity, that is very little quantity, okay, less than what? 0.1% in atmosphere, okay, or other sources. The general configuration is, you all know that, what? NH2 NP6. Now you can say it is having a complete octet. Being it is complete octet, these are called inert gas. Therefore they are called what? Inert gas. And they obtained in very less quantity, therefore they are called rare gases. What? Rare gases or noble gases. Okay, properties. First one, atomic size. Comparatively bigger as bigger than what? 17th group elements. Now why it is so? It is because all the electrons are paired. Being all the electrons are paired, therefore the electron repulsion is more, therefore their size are little bigger as compared to their previous group. That means what? It is an exceptional case. Okay, down the group, atomic size increases. Again there is no any exception. Atomic size increases. Now why it is getting increases? It is due to introduction of one shell. Okay, next one is ionization enthalpy. Student, it will be quite high, quite large or high. Now why? All the orbitals are paired, that is having the stable configuration, fully filled configuration. So ionization enthalpy is very high. Similarly, electron gain enthalpy. Okay, again the electron gain enthalpy will be very large, and not only negative, but this is given with the positive sign. Why? It is because all the orbitals are paired. They shows the most stability. Therefore, there is no chances of gaining electron easily. Therefore, it is very high. Third one is solubility in water. Okay, being noble gases are completely non-polar. And now being it is completely non-polar, that is only weakest attraction force is present there. Weakest attraction force, so are least soluble in water. But down the group, solubility increases. Okay, now so why solubility increases? Due to increase in van der Waals attraction forces. therefore their solubility little increases down the group. Okay. Next one is boiling point. Boiling point. Again what? Weakest attraction force is present. Weakest attraction force is present. So shows lowest boiling point. Lowest boiling point. And now down the group boiling point will increase. Therefore what? Helium, okay, only 4 Kelvin boiling point. 4 Kelvin boiling point. But down the group the boiling point will increase. This is due to increase in van der Waals attraction force, which is caused by increase in atomic size and atomic mass. So we can say in our earth it is the helium which shows the lowest boiling point, which is what? 4 Kelvin. So these are some properties of 18th group elements.